Now, for those of you that are not aware, apart from the fact that you can create a meeting link with your Zoom software and share the link with people that you want to have the link with, or group of people, or your friends, or members, or your clients that you want to have the meeting with. Apart from that, you can also create a video meeting link or an audio meeting link via your WhatsApp and also via your WhatsApp business. This is quite very easy. You can create an audio meeting link and you can also create a video meeting link with your WhatsApp and also WhatsApp business. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do that now. Okay, how you can do that in just few seconds. So all you need to do is to come over to your phone. Okay, you can do this with phone. I think you can also do it on laptop. All right, now come over to your phone. This is my phone screen and go down to WhatsApp. So let's use WhatsApp business anyway. And once you come to your WhatsApp business, all you need to do is click on these calls, click on calls and come over to this call sign, click on it. And over here, you can see the first here is new call link. Once you click on it, automatically it has generated a new call link. You guys can see here, anyone with WhatsApp can use this link to join this call. Only share it with people you trust. Now, this is for video call. If you click on this call type here, you bring out video or audio. If you click on audio, voice is going to generate a different link, which is for only voice meeting. Okay, so what you're creating now is audio meeting link, which is voice meeting link. Now, if you go back here and click on video, it's going to create a new link, which is a video meeting link. And let me click on this link. Let me hold it. I'll copy it. Copy. Okay, let me just click on it. Once you click on this link, once you send this link to anybody and anybody clicks on it, this is what is going to happen. You guys can see my face has popped up. Okay, so you can see WhatsApp call waiting for orders. So once you share this link to other people, okay, you can see share link. That's the link you just copied now. You can now paste it to however number of people that you want to share it with. And once they click on the link, their camera will automatically open and they will be on video meeting with you if you sent them a video link. But if it's an audio link, it's just their voice that you'll be hearing. Now, what I want to do now is I want to try and see if this can be able to work, if you can be able to create this link on via desktop. All right, I think it's 100% possible, but I have not tried it here. So this is WhatsApp and open WhatsApp. Get started. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to link my WhatsApp link device. Okay, it has opened. What I need to do now is come over here, click on call. Okay, you can see, once you click on call here, you can see over here, you can see new call link, call a member. Now let's click on new call link. You guys can see creating call link. You guys can see it has already created a link. You can copy the link. You can come over here and select audio and it will also recreate a new link. Okay, you can see it has created a new link. So this is exactly, you can do this on your system and you can also do it on your phone. So this is just what I want to share with you guys. And if this video was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, my name is Asugha Kingsley. And on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other liberal tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. If you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, please make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.